terminal yesterday, which is this thing right here. Isn't it beautiful? But what I decided to do instead, and by the way, you can set up the Linux development environment. Let me just show you how to do what I did yesterday. You'll see what I installed. You go to settings, and this was a long process that I've been working on for a while. You go to About Chrome OS, and right here, Linux development environment, you would have a button here, set up. You would just set that up, and you can't have an admin Chromebook to do that, by the way. And then what I decided to also do is go into my files, downloads. I downloaded the APK off the official APK website for Getting Over It, which if I type in Getting Over It APK, alright, you have to visit this site. All the rest of these are viruses. You have to visit this site, gettingoveritapk.com. They want you to have this thing. Then after I did that, I went into my terminal right here, and I went into a Penguin. And before I did that, I went into Files. And in Files, I went to Downloads. If my APK would be somewhere in here. And I dragged the APK into Linux Files. It copied to Linux Files. I also have pickle.apk in here as well, which is made for an older version of Android, so I can't use it. And then after that, I followed a certain Google document. And you can watch the video, like, here, let me show it to you. So if I actually go into my Files, and I go into Downloads, and I go into a screen recording, this one. Alright, there's no sound with this, but I'm just going to go over kind of what I did. Alright, so for this particular thing, here was the Google Doc I was using, and this is from Erwin Plays. And I had to copy and paste or type these. Now file name.apk over here, that was just going to be my file name. .apk, and I'll show you what happened. So I opened up Penguin and actually got to using my terminal. Copy and paste, adb install getting over it .apk, error, more than one emulator / device. That happened to me several times. So you need to run the command adb space -s emulator -5554 install, and then your apk file. So I did exactly that. I did adb -s emulator, and then I did -5554, and then I did install, and then getting over it .apk. And then once I ran this particular command, mind you, these commands run pretty quickly. It says ABB failed to start, no such file and directory. And I had this fail a couple times until something happened. So here we go. Alright, so I get in, I need to get this emulator command right. I copy and paste it this time. I do boy.apk because I renamed my file and performing stream install. These are the steps that you have to follow if you want to install a video game. Let's say when Fortnite wasn't free, you could have done it this way. Success. Now if I open up over here, Getting Over It is in my files. And just to prove to you that this worked, and just to show you why exactly that I did this, was because if you go into Play Store, and I've wanted Getting Over It for a long time, you go into Play Store and you search up Getting Over It, you have a considerable fee. So if I go to Getting Over, alright, Getting with Hammer It, I'm talking about the actual Getting Over It. Which, by the way, a lot of people have not been downloading it lately. Getting Over It. Bennett Foddy, which is the famous game. But anyway, these games cost money, so I had to download it for free. So I'll see you guys later. It worked. I got Getting Over It for free on my system, and it runs perfectly.